In Globe's Dual-Outlet Outdoor Sconce box, you will find the Dual-Outlet Outdoor Sconce, an ST19 LED bulb, mounting accessories, and the instructions. Release the mounting plate from the fixture by removing the 2 screws on the canopy and setting them aside momentarily. Unwrap the wiring to facilitate the rest of the installation. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Secure the mounting plate to the junction box using the included mounting screws. Connect the fixture's wires to the junction box's wires using the included wire nuts. Black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. Once complete, tuck the wiring back into the junction box. Next, raise the fixture and align the canopy holes with the mounting plate's side bracket holes. Then, secure the fixture by reinstalling the previously removed mounting screws. Install the included bulb. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. Once powered, the sconce will automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, thanks to its built-in sensor. To disable the automatic feature, simply place the included magnet over the sensor, then control the sconce manually using your switch. Your sconce includes 2 GFCI outlets located on the canopy. These outlets are controlled by the wall switch and will provide power to your plugged-in accessories whenever the switch is on.